Hi guys.
Hi, nice to see you. I'm absolutely thrilled about the new spreader line and with all its features that we now offer on the new Combi spreader line.
And I'm excited to learn all about this. This looks really powerful. And I just want to know what's so special about this new spreader that you have.
This line of the full-size hopper spreaders is such a game changer, as we now make them up to 7 cubic meter and 8 cubic yards. With increased liquid capacity of 4,000 liter or 1,000 gallon on certain models. This makes the contractor's job much more efficient and sustainable.
This sounds just like Hilltip. You have really thought about every detail.
Yeah, I'm really grateful to our team for developing this amazing product.
What more is there to this brilliant product?
The Hilltip Ice Striker Combi spreaders are capable of spreading all the de-icing methods in one machine, in all the weather conditions. Bulk materials, pre-wet, mixtures and liquids can be easily applied with the same machine.
Incredible. You sure know what the market needs.
Of course.
Yeah. So can we try this spreader?
Sure, absolutely.
Let's go. The battery's low, huh?
No, that's the liquid level.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, fun. This is looking really robust.
Yes, it is.
So why the special construction?
Well, this patented dual-wall hopper spreader enables us to make full-size hopper spreaders in poly.
Wow, pretty cool.
Yeah, I like it. Well, and the dual-wall hopper spreaders allow liquid capacity up to 1,400 liter or 350 gallons integrated in the hopper.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, and efficient and sustainable de-icing is achieved by FF30 standard, which means 30% salt brine and 70% granulates. This translates to 30% annual salt savings on the environment and on the salt costs.
Wow, what's not to love?
Right.
So how well do electric spreaders of this size perform?
Yeah, like a dream.
Okay, tell me more.
Yeah, well, let's look at this.
Okay.
So, for example, Chelsea, if we set the application rate 25 grams per square meter or 300 pounds per lane mile to spread salt on a road, the control system will automatically adjust to keep that set application rate at a speed up to 80 kilometers an hour or 50 miles an hour.
But aren't there any extra batteries needed for this spreader to perform at that level?
No extra batteries. Our drivetrain is chosen very carefully with durability and energy efficiency in mind. We often even design and make our own components to achieve the energy efficiency goals that we have.
Wow, that sounds nice.
Yeah.
So inside here is the system that's taking the salt out, right?
Yes, correct, Chelsea. So we got two different feed systems. We got pintle chain and auger drive. This particular machine has the chain feed system.
Okay, and what's the benefit of the chain feed system?
It's the output capacity. The chain system can dispense more volume of material faster than an auger system. This is beneficial for materials like sand and gravel that require higher application rates.
Okay, I see. Then what would be the main benefit of the auger system?
Auger systems are often used with salt and they are easier to maintain than chain drive. They have also fewer components that can wear out over time and break down.
You know, Frank, here at Hilltip, it seems like you really go that extra mile with your products and your service.
Yeah, we believe that the service after the sale is as important as a great product. This belief is a large part of the Hilltip success, and we have always been committed to go above and beyond for our customers. Thank you for choosing Hilltip.
And thanks for watching.
We look forward to serving you and seeing you soon again.
Goodbye.
Bye.